Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Ernst and I have instructions for week 35. Okay? This is one more week until the last week of school, so let's keep pushing ourselves. Let's keep going. You guys are doing an awesome job. Let's keep going. Alright, so for Monday we have the story Welcome Home Bear, and you're going to do reading response questions. So these are some questions that you will have to ask while you're reading. So parents, make sure you have this pulled up while you're listening to the video, okay? We have our sight words right here. We have our vowel consonant review. So last week we did vowels. This week we're reviewing our consonant sounds. We have art with Cassie Stevens. We're doing Making It Glow, Monsters in the City. And then you have your choice board if you choose to do that instead. For math, we have a YouTube video you're going to watch. We're talking about earning money. So parents, this week it's really vital that we're not talking about the kind of money we earn. So you know, quarters, pennies, nickels, dimes, dollars. We're not talking about their value. We're talking about ways we can earn money, okay? So we have this activity to do after this video. And that's it for Monday. As always, my contact information is all up here. And then we have the QR videos as well down here for you guys. You guys have a great Monday. Bye.